In the first year after opening, a car showroom sold 210 cars. A model for future trading assumes that sales will increase by X cars per month for the next 37 months, so that 210 plus X will be sold in the second month, 210 plus 2X in the third month, and so on. Using the model with X equals 6, calculate the number of cars sold in the 38th month. So we'll start off with just what we have. The first term is going to be 210. That's how many sold in the first month. In the second month, it's 210 plus X, but X is 6. So we're just adding on 6 each time. And the third month, it's 210 plus 2X, so that's 210 plus 12. So that's 22. So from that, basically, you can see that your A, your first term is 210, and your D is 6. It's increasing by 6 each time. So if you want to work out how much is sold in the 38th month, you're looking at U38, which is A plus N minus 1 D. And then if you work that out, 37 times 6 plus 210, you get 432.